Okay. So this time we are starting with the recurring deposit, right? There is gone my another pen. I was having one more pen. It is gone that. Okay. Okay. So we will talk today about recurring deposit. Okay. Recurring deposit. Right. What is the meaning of recurring? Re reoccurring. Right. सो वैसे क्या होता है जो डिपॉजिट जो सेविंग मतलब डिपॉजिट अकाउंट्स होते हैं डिपॉजिट अकाउंट्स दे आर ऑफ थ्री टाइप्स वन इज सेविंग अकाउंट one is saving account it is ordinary account you can put your money you can take your money off right and what during the month during the month during the month on minimum balance on minimum balance you get interest, right? Financial organization you get interest, right? Financial organizations are very smart. Suppose on the uh, 0 to मतलब first day of month first day to 10th day no interest, right? I'm just giving you a brief of it, right? No interest, कोई interest नहीं होता है. 10 to last day, 10 to last day, minimum balance, right? They are very smart. Suppose आप suppose on 10th of suppose 5th day को आपने 5th day को आपने 2 लाख रुपीस डिपॉजिट किए, ठीक? और कोई बात नहीं है उसके ऊपर, तो ठीक है, वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड हो गए. 11th डे को फिर आपने 1 लाख रुपीस डिपॉजिट किए, ठीक? और फिर क्या किया कि आपने 21st को आपको जरूरत पड़ गई, आपने 3 लाख रुपीस विड्रॉ कर लिए, तो आपका मिनिमम आपका बैलेंस कितना हो गया? 0. ठीक है, 21st को आपने विड्रॉ कर लिया 3 लाख रुपीस, एंड आफ्टर दैट अगेन on 25th, again on 23rd you can say, again on 23rd आपने फिर 4 लाख रुपीस डिपॉजिट कर दी, फिर आपने 4 लाख रुपीस डिपॉजिट कर दिए, है ना? तो आपको इंटरेस्ट इस मंथ पे कितना मिलेगा? हेलो, विड्रॉ, राइट? आपने फर्स्ट 5th मतलब 5th डे को आपने 2 लाख डिपॉजिट किए, 11th डे को आपने 1 लाख डिपॉजिट किए, 21st डे को आपने 3 लाख विड्रॉ कर लिया, एंड 23rd को आपने फिर 4 लाख रुपीस डिपॉजिट कर दिया, राइट? So how much interest you will get in this month? Yeah, so you should tell me na. Discussing about saving account. So saving account में I told you कि during the month on minimum balance you get interest, right? And I gave you an example that on day 1 to day 10 मतलब I said you on day 1 to day 2 there is no interest. Day 10 to last day of month on minimum balance you get the interest, right? So I told you a condition that on fifth day of the month you deposited 2 lakh rupees, and on 11th day you deposited 1 lakh rupees more, and on 21st day of month you withdraw to 3 lakh rupees, and on 23rd day of month you deposited 4 lakh again. So what will be the interest for this month? Hmm, 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 hmm. कितना आएगा इंटरेस्ट, किस पे आएगा? You are saying 4 lakh. Yes or no? No, you are wrong. I told you minimum balance. Minimum balance. You know, on from 21st go you withdrawn all of, so you got zero balance. 22nd you got zero balance. 23rd you deposited 4 lakh, right? So minimum balance of the month क्या हुआ? Zero. So you will get no interest for this month, right? So institutes, private institutes, banks plays very smartly. They give you interest. इसीलिए they are saying कि you should keep always minimum balance, right? If you go below the minimum balance, then you have to pay the charges. So in spite of getting interest, you have to pay that. You have to pay them. राइट, बट क्या है कि अगर अगर या अगर हम गवर्नमेंट बैंक्स की बात करते हैं या गवर्नमेंट एडेड बैंक्स की बात करते हैं, राइट, तो क्या होता है कि वहां पे मिनिमम बैलेंस का कई बार कोई चक्कर नहीं होता है, तो लेकिन वो जीरो बैलेंस हुआ नहीं कि इंटरेस्ट जीरो हो गया, बंदे को पता भी नहीं चला, ही सेइंग कि मेरे पास तो 4 लाख रुपए अकाउंट में पड़े, आई शुड गेट इंटरेस्ट, बट सॉरी टू से मैन, because you was having 21st and 22nd day you was having zero balance, so that's why your interest gone to zero. It hardly matters you are handling at the end of month, whatever amount you are having, so it's pretty interesting. I hope you understand this, right? So this is we have saving account, right? This is called the saving account. Should I write again? मैंने उसके ऊपर ओवर राइट कर दिया है, saving account. This is saving account, right? ओके, फिर एक होता है फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट. फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट, फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट अकाउंट. फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट अकाउंट क्या होता है? बैंक इज मतलब फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन गिव यू कमिटमेंट कि वी विल गिव यू दैट मच ऑफ इंटरेस्ट विच इज ऑन दैट डे. मतलब on the day which on which मतलब on the day you are going to open a FD account, the मतलब whatever be the rate of interest, bank is committed to pay you that much rate of interest on deposited account. You can you can deposit any money. Say you have deposited 1 lakh rupees You have deposited 1 lakh rupees for 2 years, and bank is saying they will give you 7.25% interest, right? So it is fixed. It is fixed, right? Matlab you will if in during this during the course of time, agar rate of interest is going below this or above this, it does not change your commitment. Suppose you suppose on the day you have deposited 7.25%. On the day you have deposited 1 lakh rupees FD account, open a FD account, and on that day the rate of interest is 7.25%, and after 3 days it goes to be 8%. So you will not get benefit of that. Suppose after 6 days it goes back to the to 6.25. Yeah, 6%. So it is not going to be change your rate of interest. It is fixed for so this on this conditions financial institution is committed. Finance Financial institute is committed. They will pay you. You can take loan on this also. Right. So you can take loan also on this also. It depends on bank to bank how much percent they will give you. Right. So this is FD account, right? And which we have to study, which is in your syllabus, that is known as recurring deposit. Recurring. Recurring means reoccurring deposit. Means you are deposit account. मतलब एक minimum amount you have to deposit every month, right? Right. Say like me, I'm a very poor teacher. I cannot deposit lakhs 2 lakhs rupees immediately, है ना? So I can go for say rupees 2,000 rupees 2,000, right? Uh, for 2 years. Yeah, say 5 years. 5 years means month is how much? 12 into 5 becomes 60 months. 60 months के लिए at the rate of say there is 6.75% rate of interest. Yeah. That is every month I have to deposit 2,000 rupees every month for next 5 years, and whatever be the amount that I'll get at the end of 5 years, that will be maturity. So that can be that can be maturity, right? In this also maturity, you can withdraw money in the meantime also. उससे आपका interest कम हो जाएगा, but you can withdraw money also, right? मतलब they are flexible somehow. If I got urgent need of 10,000 rupees, so 10,000 I can withdraw from it. So my balance will goes down. So my rate of interest, मतलब my interest will get reduced because because it is cumulative. Cumulative means every month it is accumulating. First month I have deposited 2,000 rupees. I get interest on that. So interest, the principal plus interest will be amount, and again I deposit 2,000 rupees. So 2,000 plus that amount becomes net principal. Then we get the interest. So it is cumulative interest, right? Cumulative interest you are getting. So that's why it is. So we are going to study this recurring deposit account today. Right. This is the property of recurring deposit account. So I hope you understand this much. Okay. Should I rub this? Okay. Now, in recurring deposit account, first basic principle of commercial math is amount is equal to principal plus interest. Amount amount is equal to principal plus interest. Right? All these which I told you, like FD and recurring deposit account, right? RD, they are fixed income tools. Fixed income, fixed income tools. मतलब definitely you will get benefited. नो डाउट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मतलब आपका रिटर्न्स का रेट कम है लेकिन एश्योर्ड है. बट अगर आप शेयर की बात करोगे, शेयर शेयर में जाते हैं, जब हम ट्रेडिंग मार्केट में जाते हैं, तो वहां पे क्या होता है, वहां पे वो वोलाटाइल होता है. वोलाटाइल वोलाटाइल मतलब कोई जरूरी नहीं है. यू हैव टू कीप वॉच on the market what is happening. So they इनकी इनकम जो होती है वो फ्लक्चुएटिंग होती है. फ्लक्चुएटिंग मतलब कि हो प्रॉफिट हो भी सकता है, लॉस भी हो सकता है. हाँ, लेकिन यहाँ पे फिक्स इनकम है, मतलब होना ही होना है. हाँ, यहाँ पे जरूरी नहीं है कि हो, शेयर में जरूरी नहीं हो कि प्रॉफिट हो सकता है लॉस हो जाए, हो सकता है प्रॉफिट हो जाए. हाँ, डेफिनेटली दोनों चीजें हो सकती है. So come back to the point. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. एंड हम अगर देखें सीआई, सीआई मतलब कंपाउंड मतलब सॉरी कंपाउंड नहीं, इंटरेस्ट ऑन इंटरेस्ट, मतलब इंटरेस्ट which you get on your deposit, interest which you get on your deposit, that will be, yeah, first you go for principal, right? What is principal? Principal is mi I use for monthly installment, right? I I will use everywhere during this topic. MIV means monthly installment. Installment. Monthly installment, right? Into 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 number of months. Into number of months. N. N belongs to number of months. Number of months. Right? तो ये हो गया हमारा प्रिंसिपल. अब अगर हम इंटरेस्ट की बात करें तो इंटरेस्ट क्या होता है? इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल, सी आई इज इक्वल टू, सी आई, सी नॉट सी आई मैन, इट इज इंटरेस्ट. इंटरेस्ट इज इक्वल टू एम आई इंटू एन ब्रैकेट n+1 by 2 into rate percent upon 100 into 1/12. Getting? This is interest. ठीक है. अब अगर हम इसको थोड़ा शॉर्ट कर लें, तो इसको शॉर्ट कर लें तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? mi इंटू एन ब्रैकेट n+1 इंटू आर पर इंटू रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट अपॉन 12 to the 24. 24 into 100, 2400. सीधा you can get the interest. I hope you understand this. Now, what happens? What happens? Okay, so everything is normal, na? Situation under control. Okay. So A is equal to मैंने आपको बोला प्रिंसिपल प्लस इंटरेस्ट. So principal is mi into n plus interest is mi into n plus 1 into rate percent upon 2400, right? So what you do, you take mi into n is common in both of them. So we will take common mi into n you have taken as a common. Now you get 1 plus 1 plus n plus 1 into r percent upon 2400. Getting? This is amount, right? So I hope you understand. Okay, should I run this? So what I said, interest is equal to mi into n bracket n plus 1 into r percent upon 2400, right? And amount is equal to mi into n bracket 1 plus 1 plus n plus 1 upon r percent upon 2400, right? This is these two formulas are very important and it will work for entire your worksheet, right? Okay, good. So now we come to the questions. There is a 11th question which came in 2005 in your book with the sheet which I send you, right? Right. Okay. So we should start from here. Hmm. Just wait. In the meantime, you read the question. I'm just joining you. Yeah. So question is like that. Should I rub this? It is not required. I hope. Now. Hmm. So question number 11 is like this. Mr. R.K. Nair get rupees 6,455 at the end of 1 year. So maybe amount is rupees 6,455. Fine. At the 1 year, time is 1 year. 1 year means how many months? 12 months. Yeah. Why not in confidence? 12 months. And rate of interest is 14%, right? Per annum. That does not matter per annum. Chalo, per annum. Fine. Happy. In the recurring deposit account, find his monthly installment. You have to find the amount. Can you get that? Obviously, this is first question. So A is equal to mi into n bracket 1 plus n plus 1 into r upon 2400. Fine. Okay. Now amount is 6,455. Mi we do not know. We need know the number of months is 12. Then we get 1 plus 12 plus 1 becomes 13. Because of you, I won't write directly. It is 14% upon 2,400. Right? Get it? Little bit. Right. So, what we can do now? We can write here 7, 2 7 ja, 2 7 ja 14, and this is 1200, 1200, right? And now what you do, 6,455 is equal to mi into 12 bracket. You have taken LCM 12. You have taken LCM 1200, right? 1200 you have taken LCM, so it becomes 1200 plus 1200 into plus 1 becomes 13. 13 into 7. 13 sevens are 90. 91. Yeah, very nice. 91. Right. So this is 12 plus 1 is 13. Right. Which I noted, and then we multiplied and we get 91. This is right. Now what we can do now, 12 1 ja 12 and 12 1 ja, this is 100. Right. This 100 can be cross multiplied with this 6,455. So we can write now 6,455 into 100 is equal to mi into how much? It will be 1291. Is it correct? 1200 plus 91 is how much? 1291? No. Speak louder. Loud shows confidence. When you mumming, it means ki you are in Dharma. 11291. Don't worry. Since you have just started studying, so you have after a period of time you know me. Okay. Okay. अभी क्या करेंगे कि okay, you divide this 100 1291 with 5. How much you will get? Huh? 12,000 1291 multiplied by 5, we get 5 under 5, 5 nines are 45, we get 4, 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10, 2 4 14, 1 5 पंजा 5 5 6. So वो मैं पहले ही सेट लिया था, but I was asking you. So it is 5 times. So 1291 5 times is this much. So 1 and 500, right? So what is your MI? Rupees, rupees 500 is MI, right? Did you understand how to do this? I hope you get it. Okay. Okay. Now, should I run now? I'm rubbing this. And again, question number 10. I'm not going question number 12. You know why? Here you have to find the time period. And getting time period, there will be a quadratic equation. And that quadratic equation is such a big equation will be there. And that will be usually solved out with the quadratic formula. Right. So that's why I'm avoiding that because it is very complicated. So तो इसलिए अभी मैं उसको लिंकर ऑन कर रहा हूँ. But I'll tell you first you understand the basic. अभी 12th you don't waste your time. टाइमिंग मैं बता रहा हूँ ना. मैं मतलब I can do for you. But you will get a very big quadratic equation which you cannot solve by factorization. You have to go with quadratic formula, and quadratic formula solving again is a big short problem for you. It takes a lot of time also, right? When you get mature with the formula and concept the things, then you go with that. And I'll taught you. I'll do it, no problem. ऐसा नहीं है कि I'll not do. I'll do it, but I'll do it later. कैसे? नहीं 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 नहीं, मैं अभी बताऊंगा, लेकिन वो थोड़ा रुक के. अभी तो अभी 10th क्या है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th क्या है? मिसेस मिसेस वसुंधरा मेहता. क्या? वसुंधरा. वसुंधरा. वसुंधरा मेहता. राइट. वसुंधरा मेहता deposited. Vasundhara Mehta is having a recurring deposit account in a bank for 4 years. 4 years. So he is opened a RD account, right? Time is 4 years. 4 year means 4 into 12 into 4 becomes 48 months. 48 months. And and rate of interest is 10%. Very nice. And it is, and she get interest. Interest she is getting this time. Interest she is getting 6,370 rupees. Right? So what you have to find? You have to find, you know, am I first, am I and then maturity value. You are correct. Maturity value means amount. Maturity value, it means amount. Got it? Okay. Now we come to this. Now, what is the formula for I? For interest, I told you mi into L bracket N plus 1 into R% upon 1400. Right? And interest, she is getting 6,370 is equal to mi into n is 48 into 49 into 10 upon 2,400. Get it? Are you convenient with this? So this is 24 1 ja 24, 24 2 ja 24 2 ja. Hello, 24 2 ja 48. One zero is cancelled out. One zero is cancelled out. Right. So here we get 10. Now this 10 is cross multiplied. 63,700 is equal to 2 nines are 18. 19, 98. 98. 98 into mi. Get it? Now mi is equal to 63,700 upon 98. Right? Can you solve this now? Do it. Do it. Six eights are 48. We get 4. 6 nines are 54. 6 nines are 54. And 4 588. Okay. Now you have taken 1 as a common carry. 17. 17 minus 8 becomes 9. And 1 carry from here. It becomes 12. 12 minus 8 becomes 4. We have taken a 0. Now we go by 5. 5 8s are 40, 0 4, 5 9s are 45, 4 49, right? And 0. Right? So this is 400 and sorry 650. 650. So mi is 650 rupees. I hope you understand this. Huh? I know that you have done. I know that you have done. So can I rub this part? Okay. So why you are putting so much effort? It is simple to get it. A is equal to N into Mi plus interest. So 48 into 650 plus 6370. It is also a big problem to calculate this, huh? You are writing or just listening? No, no. I have trust. Zero. 8 fives are 40. Very good, very good, very good. 6 eights are 40. 0, 6 eights are 40. 0, 4, 6 eights are 8, 0, 8 fives are 40. 0, 4, 8 six are 48. 4, 52. And we get 4, 0, 4 fives are 20. 0, 2, 20 to 26. We get 0, 0, 2. Oh, oh, right? No, zeros. We get 1, 1 0. Yes, we get 2. Then 5 plus 6 becomes 11. We get 1 3. 31,200. 31,200 plus you. I send you answer sheet also. You can check from there also. So yeah, when you add these two, 6 3 7 0 0 7 5 7 3. So it becomes 37,570 she will get at the maturity. So can you check the answer please? Question number 10, the exercise 3.2. If not convenient, then it's okay. I can check. I'm going to be my सही है ओके अभी क्या करना है हमको नाइन्थ come to ninth should I rub question number 9 what is that so Mr. Jacob has a 5-year recurring deposit account so time is RD account time is 5 years so N is equal to 12 into 5 becomes 60 months my god okay 60 months and oh, very good question and monthly deposit MI is 2,400 very interesting what next he receives at the time of maturity amount he is getting how much amount he is getting 1,86,000 1,86,090 right this much amount he is getting very well yeah so what happens so find the rate of interest very nice we have to find rate of interest and after that total interest earned and total interest interest earned I hope you understand this little bit okay so what do you get amount we know we can get the principal is equal to mi into n so mi is 2,400 and years are 60. Months are 60, right? So you get three zeros, 6 4s are 24, you get 2, right? You get 2, so 6 2s are 12 and 2 14. So you get 1,44,000 rupees is principal. Is principal, right? So now amount is equal to principal plus interest. So interest is equal to amount minus principal. So 1,86,090 minus 1,44,000, right? So how much is interest you are getting? I hope it is 42,000. 42,090 you are getting rate of interest, total interest. This is the second answer. फर्स्ट हमने निकाल लिया, ठीक है। अभी क्या करेगी आद्रिका? तो अब 42,090 is equal to mi into n bracket n plus 1 into r percent upon 2,400. So 42,090 is equal to mi. Mi is 2,400 into 60 into 61 into rate of interest upon 2,400. This is cancelled out, you get 1, right? So what we can do now? We do not. Eh? अच्छा, 4209. I trust only on my calculation. Right? So 0, 6 1 is 6, 6 6 is 36. Like this? Is it correct? Rate of interest. Now bring in these two zeros are cancelled out. Now 4209 upon 366 is equal to rate of interest. Can you divide this? Do it. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, 0 3 3 ja 9. Ah? So this is very nice. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 3 2 ja. Okay. अब फंस गया मैं. I get 403 divided by 122. So one time 122 you get 3 10 8 1 3 2 फिर again 1 that is 1 2 2 you get 1 6 and point 0 right? Now we multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10, 0. 1, 5 2s are 1, 11. We get 1, 5 1 are 5, 1, 6, 610. Getting 0. So rate of interest is 11.5%. Getting, I hope you understand. Nice. समझ में आ गया? Question number 8. Should I now? What I find in your copy which you sent me yesterday, day before yesterday, you write very less. What statement I am writing, you should write those statements also, because just, you know, don't go in hurry, right? You just think statements are also required, right? You are not going for competitive exams, you are going for school exams. School exams may statements are more important, and competitive exams may you have to go direct. But since you have to go for class 10, so there you have to write a statement. The statement writing should be also there, right? Just solving question. Now question number 8. It came in 2010. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 हम लोग करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. It comes in 2010. Very nice. What is question? Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account. Mr. Gupta opened a RD account. Now he deposited. MI is equal to rupees 2,500. Right. Monthly installment means per month. Right. Yeah. And for time is 2 years. Very nice. Time is 2 years. Yes, you are going more fast. Is equal to 12 into 2 is equal to 24 months. Right? Now, now at, at maturity he got, sorry, at maturity he got, about maturity he got 67,500. 67,500 rupees he got. Right? So, again, what we do, total interest earned by Mr. Gupta. So if I say how much principal he paid, principal is equal to n into mi. Yeah, it is going for 24 months. 24 months is into 2,500, right? We have taken two. Very smart. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you are correct. You are correct. 0 0 25 2s are 100, 10, 20, 25 2s are 50, and 10 60. That is 60,000. So principal is 60,000, right? So principal is 60,000. So how much interest he get? Interest he get. Interest he get is equal to amount minus principal. So amount is 67,500 minus 60,000 So he get 7,500 rupees as a interest. Total interest he earned. Total interest. Right? So this was the part one. Now what next we have? The rate of interest. Oh my god. Now again I is equal to n bracket n plus 1 into, oh sorry, mi into n bracket n plus 1 into rate percent upon 100, oh, 2500, सही है, 7500 is equal to mi is how much? 2500 into 24, oh, 24 into 25, right, into r percent upon 2400, right? So what you will do, this 24 and 24 is gone, huh? 24 कट गया, तो 7500 is equal to 625 is into r percent, okay? So r percent is equal to 7500 upon 6200, 625, getting 625 divided by 25, you get 25, and 625 and 700 7500 divided by 25 becomes 300, right? Now 25 बन जा 25 and 25 2 are 15, so you get 12%. So rate of interest is 12%. I hope you get it. This was question number 8. It came in 2000. It came in 2010, not 7. Hey, भगवान. बोला, कोई बात नहीं, मेरे को डांटने का मन हो रहा था इसलिए मैंने डांट दिया, ठीक है. Now come to question number 7. Should I rub this? Do the question number 7. Question number 7. David opened a recurring deposit account. David opens RD account. Deposit money is equal to rupees 300, right? Per month for time is 2 years. So number of months is equal to 42 becomes 24 unit, right? And we receive amount of maturity Maturity value is getting rupees 7,725 rupees. Right? Okay. So what is principal? So again we get the principal first. So principal is 7,000. Into principal is equal to n into n. So it is n is 24 into 300. So you get 3, 0, 3, 0, 12, 72. 7,200 rupees. This is the principal. So interest is equal to amount minus principal. So that is 7,725 minus 7,200. So you get interest is 525. Right? This is the interest we get. Now rate of interest again we get I is equal to mi into n bracket n plus 1 r percent upon 2,400. Right? So 525 is equal to mi is 300 into 24 into 25 into r percent upon 2,400. Right? So these two zeros are cancelled out. 24 1 are 24. This is 575 is equal to 75 into rate of interest. Right? So rate of interest is equal to 575 upon 75. Right? Yeah. 75 into 7. 75 into 7. 7 7 is 49, 350. Right? So 7%. So rate of interest is equal to 7%. Done. This was question number 7. Right? So how many questions we have done?